Hello kids. Let's learn about hyenas. Hyenas are wild animals that live in Africa. They are known for making sounds that can sound like laughter, which is why people call them laughing hyenas. Hyenas look a little bit like dogs, but they are not related to them. They have thick fur, big ears, and short tails. Hyenas live in groups called clans. Sometimes, a clan can have up to 80 hyenas. They work together to find food and keep each other safe. Hyenas have very strong teeth and jaws. They can eat almost everything, including bones. Hyenas like to come out at night to hunt for food. They have sharp eyes and ears that help them see and hear in the dark. Hyenas make a special sound that sounds like laughing. They do this to talk to each other. Even though hyenas often eat leftovers from other animals, they are also brave hunters. They can run fast and work together to catch their food. Hyenas are important animals because they help keep nature clean by eating the remains of other animals. They might look a little scary, but they play an important role in the wild.
Thank you for watching. Like and share. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon.